In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the case owner in Salesforce. If you're working on managing cases in Salesforce and need to reassign them to different team members, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you can do this smoothly and efficiently. First things first, let's get started by navigating to the Salesforce homepage. You can simply log in using your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your customized homepage where you can view all of your critical information and tools. Now, to proceed, we're going to use the App Launcher. The App Launcher is a powerful tool within Salesforce that provides easy access to all the apps and items in your organization. Click on the grid icon found at the top left of the Salesforce window. That's the App Launcher. With a click, it expands and provides a search box along with a list of apps and tabs you can access. Once you have the App Launcher open, type Cases into the search bar. You'll notice that Salesforce automatically filters your options, making it easy to find what you need. Click on Cases to proceed. After clicking on Cases, you'll land on the Cases page. Here you will see a comprehensive list of all the cases that you have access to. Salesforce's interface is designed to be user-friendly, so you can easily navigate through this list. At this point, you want to search for the specific case you're interested in updating. You can do this by scrolling through the list or using the search feature at the top of your screen. Once you've found the case, click to open it. Inside the case details, look for a section or a field that indicates the current owner of the case. To update the owner, you'll need to locate the Edit button, typically found near the owner's information, or as a part of the case details options. Once you've clicked the Edit option, you'll see a drop-down menu or a field beside the owner label. Click on this field to reveal a list of potential new owners. If you have a specific individual or team responsibility in mind, you can type their name or search directly from the drop-down menu. Select the new owner from the list. Be sure to double-check your selection to make sure it reflects who you intend for it to be. Once you're satisfied, click Save to apply the changes. The owner of the case has now been successfully updated, and any notifications necessary will be sent to alert the new owner of their newly assigned responsibility. And that's it! You now know how to update the case owner in Salesforce. This process can be essential in ensuring that cases are handled efficiently by the right team member, thus improving workflow and customer service management. Thank you for following along, and be sure to check out other helpful tutorials to master Salesforce's capabilities.